In this video, we will do exercise 14.4 of chapter factorization, class 8. Now, let us start our exercise 14.4. Find and correct the error in the following mathematical statement. Now, the first question is 4 multiplied by in bracket x minus 5 gives 4x minus 5. Now, dear student, if you observe this minutely, the value of 4 in bracket x minus 5 gives 4x minus 5, it is given. So what is the error? If we see, when you multiply this 4 with x and 4 with 5, so 4 into x gives 4x and 4 into negative 5 gives negative 20, but here it is given negative 5. That means it is incorrect. So we have to rectify this error. See here, 4 into negative 5 gives negative 20 and not negative 5. The correct statement of 4 in bracket x minus 5 will be 4x minus 20. Now the next one is x multiplied by in bracket 3x plus 2 is equals to 3x square plus 2. Now dear student, here first one is correct, means this monomial multiplied with binomial, that is x into 3x gives 3x square plus x into 2x gives 2x, but here it is given 2. So x into 2, the error is x into 2 gives 2x, not 2. The correct statement will be x in bracket 3x plus 2 is 3x square plus 2x. See, x into 3x is 3x square plus x into 2 is 2x, not 2. Now the next one is 2x plus 3y equals to 5xy. Now if we add these two terms, so it should be how much? So here the value is given 5xy. So error is there, that is 2x plus 3y are both unlike terms. So their sum is not possible. First of all, their sum is not possible. So the correct statement will be 2x plus 3y should be equals to 2x plus 3y only, not 5xy. Let us see sum number 4. Here x plus 2x plus 3x give 5x. Now the error is sum of all are like terms. The x plus 2x plus 3x gives 6x. That is 1 plus, here you have to consider 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives 6, not 5. The correct statement for this x plus 2x plus 3x is 6x, not 5x. Now the next one is fifth one, 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y equals to 0. Now here all are like term. So the error is, that is see, if we'll add, make a sum of 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 8, and 8 minus 7, that is here 8 minus 7 is 1. So here answer should be y. 1y means y, not 0. The correct statement for this is 5y plus 2y plus y, that is 8y minus 7y gives y, not 0. Now the next one, 3x plus 2x equals to 5x square. Now here there is a sum, not a multiple. The error is there both are sum of like term, that is 3x plus 2x give 5x, not 5x square. Therefore the correct statement is 3x plus 2x equals to 5x, not 5x square. Now the next one is 2x whole square plus 4 into 2x plus 7 gives 2x square plus 8x plus 7. Now the error is 2x, the whole square is 2x into 2x, that is 4x square. 4x square. Then 2 4s are 8 into x, 8x plus 7 as it is. That means there is a mistake over here. In place of 2x square, there should be a 4x square, because 2x into 2x is 4x square. That means the correct statement for this 2x the whole square plus 4x into 2x plus 7 is 4x square plus 8x plus 7. Now the next one is 2x the whole square plus 5x equals to 4x plus 5x equals to 9x. Now dear student, as I told you, the square of here 2x the whole square is there. So 2x the whole square means you have to make a square of 2 also and x also. So square of 2 is 4 and square of x is x square. That means 2x whole square equals to 2x into 2x equals to 4x. So 4x square. So that means 4x square plus 5, not 4x plus 5 or 9x. The correct statement for this 2x the whole square plus 5x will be 4x square plus 5x. Now in that only the last question, that is ninth one, 3x plus 2 the whole square equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Now here we have to apply the identity. that is a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is square of 3x will be 9x square plus 2ab means 2 into 3x into 2, that is 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12x plus square of 2, that is 4. But here the value is given 3x plus 6x plus 4. That means the correct statement for the 3x plus 2 the whole square will be 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Now let us see main question number 10. Substituting x equals to minus 3 in, means in place of x you have to write negative 3. Now let us start first one, that is x square plus 5x plus 4 gives here negative 3 the whole square plus 5 into negative 3 plus 4, that is 9 plus that is here it is given 5 into negative 3, here it is given 2 plus 4 equals to 15. If we see the error is over here, means here it is in multiple form, the product of 5 into negative 3 should be negative 15, but here it is given 2 and the value of such is given 15. The error is over here, we have to find the error, means the square of negative 3 is 9, it is okay, 4 as it is, but the error is over here, means 5 into negative 3 should be negative 15 and not 2. The correct statement for this, that is x square plus 5x plus 4, in place of x write down negative 3, substitute the value of x, that is negative 3, see here, plus 5 into negative 3, in place of x substitute the value of 3, negative 3 plus 4. Then square of negative 3 is 9, then 5 3 is 15, that is 5 into negative 3 is negative 15 plus 4. Then sum of 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 minus 15 is negative 2. Now the next one, x square minus 5x plus 4 gives negative 3 square. Now here everywhere we have to substitute the value of x equals to negative 3, in place of x rather negative 3 square minus 5 into negative 3 plus 4, and the value of it is given, that is square of negative 3, it is given 9, it is correct. Then negative 5 into negative 3 should be positive 15, but here it is given negative 15 and 4 as it is, and its value is also given here. Here the error is over here, that means its value is also wrong only. So we have to rectify this error, that is that negative 5 into negative 3 should be positive 15, not negative 15. The correct statement for this, that is x square minus 5x plus 4, substitute the value of x, that is negative 3, that is negative 3 the whole square minus 5 into negative 3 plus 4, that is square of negative 3 should be 9, negative 5 into negative 3 is 15, 4, then sum of that is 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 15 is 28, not negative 2. Now the next one, here again x square plus 5x gives in place of x substitute value of x, that is negative 3 square plus 5 into negative 3 which is equals to, here it is given square of negative 3 is negative 9 and 5 into negative 3 is negative 15, this is correct, but here it is error, that is square of negative should be positive, means square of negative 3 should be positive 9, not negative 9, that means here it is a mistake, means its answer is also incorrect. Now the error is negative 3, square of negative 3 should be 9, not negative 9. So let us do it again, that is substitute the value of x equals to negative 3 in place of x, that is in x square plus 5x, that is square of negative 3 should be 9, then 5 into negative 3 is negative 15, that is 9 plus negative 15 should be negative 6, not negative 24. Now if you see the next sum, y minus 3 the whole square is, its value is y square minus 9. Now here we have to apply the identity of a square minus a minus b the whole square, and here if we see it's not the value, it is not possible. So the error is y minus 3 the whole square should be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, in square of first term, that is y square, middle term should be 2 into first term into last term, 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 into y into 3 plus square of last term, that is 3 square, that is square of y should be y square minus 2 3s are 6y, square of 3 is 9, that is y square minus 6y plus 9, and here it is given y square minus 9, that means this is incorrect. The correct statement for y minus 3 the whole square should be y square minus 6y plus 9, here it is written. Now the next one, same way, z plus 5 the whole square equals to z square plus 25, it is also incorrect. Here you have to apply the identity of a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means square of first term plus for middle term 2 into first term into last term plus square of last term that is b square. The square of first term, that is z square, is z square, plus 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 into z into 5 is 10z, plus the square of 5 is 25. Means the value of z plus 5 the whole square should be z square plus 10z plus 25, not z square plus 25. So it is written over here. Correct. Now the next one, 2a plus 3b and a minus b. Now here if the value is given 2a square minus b square, it is incorrect. Now the error is when we will multiply 2a plus 3b with a minus b. See, when we will multiply first term of first expression with the second expression, that is 2a into a minus b, and second term of first expression with second expression, that is 3b into a minus b. So 2a into a gives 2a square, 2a into negative b gives negative 2ab, then positive 3b into a gives 3ab, minus 3b into b gives negative 3b. So when you do such, see here 2a square will remain as it is, negative 2ab plus positive 3ab, from 3ab you have to subtract 2ab, so you will get a plus ab, and minus 3b square as it is. Means the value of 2a plus 3b into a minus b should be 2a square plus ab minus 3b square, not 2a square minus 3b. Here ab is missing. This is how we had written. The correct statement is, for this is whatever the value we just now found. Now the next one, see, a plus 4 into a plus 2 gives a square plus 8. It is incorrect. When we will multiply the first term of first expression with the second expression, that is a into a plus 2, a into a plus 2 plus 4 into a plus 2, that is a into a is a square, a into 2 is 2a, 4 into a is 4a, 2 4s are 8. So a square 2a plus 4a, that is a sum of like term, gives 6a and 8 as it is. Means the value of a plus 4 into a plus 2 gives a square plus 6a plus 8, not a square plus 8 only. Here 6a is missing. So this is how you have to write down. The correct statement for a plus 4 into a plus 2 gives a square plus 6a plus 8. Now the next one, a minus 4 into a minus 2 equals to a square minus 8. When we will multiply, that is a minus 4 with a minus 2, that is a into, that is first term of first expression with the second expression, that is a into a minus 2 into minus 4 into a minus 2, that is a into a is a square, and a into negative 2 is negative 2a, then negative 4 into a is negative 4a, then negative 4 into negative 2 is positive 8, then negative 2a and negative 4a gives negative 6a, that is a square minus 6a plus 8. That is the value of such, not this. In this negative 6a is missing. That means the correct statement for a minus 4, a minus 2, that is a minus 4 into a minus 2 gives a square minus 6a plus 8, not a square minus 8. Now the next one is 3x square divided by 3x square equals to 0. Now dear student, here if you see 3x square divided by 3x square equals to 0. Now if you see here the error is numerator and denominator both have a same, so the division should be always equals to 1 when you will cancel it, not the value 0. Its value should be equals to 1, not the value 0. Next one, 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Let's see. Now here 3x square plus 1 divided by 3x square. Now it is not possible to cancel it here because it have two terms. It is not in multiple form. So what we will do, 3x square plus 1 means both the term divided by 3x square, means 3x square divided by 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Here we can cancel 3x square divided by 3x square. So your answer should be, here it is 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. Means your correct answer is 1 plus 1 upon 3x square, not 1 plus 1 that is equals to 2. Here it is written. Correct answer of this is 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. Now sum number 18, 3x divided by 3x plus 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Now here also we can't cancel this 3 by this 3x, 3x by 3x. Here 3x is divided by 3x plus 2, that means its value should be equals to 3x divided by 3x plus 2 only, not 1 by 2. We can't cancel this 3x with 3x because it is in term, it is in sum, not in multiple form. The correct statement for 3x divided by 3x plus 2 should be 3x divided by 3x plus 2 only. Now in that next one is 3 divided by 4x plus 3 equals to 1 by 4x. Here also we can't able to cancel this 3 with 3 because it is in two term, that is in sum. Both the term are in addition form. It is not in multiple form. So its value, that is 3 divided by 4x plus 3, should be equals to 3 divided by 4x plus 3 only, not 1 by 4x. See, here it is written 3 divided by 4x plus 3 equals to 3 divided by 4x plus 3 only. Next one, sum number 20, 4x plus 5 divided by 4x equals to 2. Here we can't able to cancel this 4x with 4x because it is in term. So one thing we can do, as we did in sum number 17, that is 4x divided by 4x plus 5x divided by 4x. Means both the terms should be divided by 4x, so that we can cancel this 4x by 4x, that is 1, and 5 by 4x, that is 5 by 4x only. That is 1 plus 5 by 4x, not the answer only 5. So its correct answer is 1 plus 5 upon 4x. Now the next one, 7x plus 5 upon 5. Means both the term we have to divide it by 5, that is 7x divided by 5 and 5 divided by 5. So by doing such, 5 and 5 will get cancelled, that is 5 ones are 5. That means the final answer will be 7x upon 5 plus 1. That means the correct statement for 7x plus 5 upon 5 is 7x upon 5 plus 1.